So again, today we will be going for GT, group task. You know, group task and group discussion. Again, I'll say the same thing. They're very, very easy, not difficult. Group task is something, I will give you a problem. I will give you a problem. That problem can be any problem through which I'm going to check certain your skills. Group task mein, I'm going to give you a problem and the kind of solution which you will give me. Through that solution, I'm going to check your skills. Which skill? It can be your attitude, it can be your optimism, it can be your consistency, it can be your introvert or extrovert behavior, it can be your marketing skills. I may check anything. And as you provide the solution, as you keep on discussing, those skills will be obvious. At the end, I will tell you that you should have said this, not this. Emotionally stable, career conscious you are or not you are. What do you think about the stability? What do you think about the growth? What do you think about the, let us say, discipline? What do you think about the ethics? What do you think about the value system? I'm going to check that particular thing in you, in your personality through this solution. So, the problem which I'm going to give you in GT, actually, that is given to know something about you. Otherwise, how shall I check? Suppose I ask you, यार ये बताओ तुम career conscious हो या तुम emotional हो, तो तुम बोलोगे हैं सर इमोशनल हैं, करियर कॉन्शियस हैं, लेकिन मेरे को चेक कैसे करना? मैं एक केस दूंगा तुम्हें. अब रियल लाइफ में तो वो बिहेवियर मैं देख नहीं रहा हूं, तो मैं तुम्हें एक केस दूंगा. उस केस के थ्रू दैट केस यू आर गोइंग टू टेल मी समथिंग, एंड वट एवर यू टेल मी, थ्रू दैट आई एम गोइंग टू चेक दैट पर्टिकुलर बिहेवियर. दिस इज हाउ इट इज, राइट? सो ग्रुप टास्क में यू पीपल आर अ टीम, ग्रुप डिस्कशन में यू आर नॉट. Group discussion mein you are not to give solution, you are to give your opinion. Group task mein you are not only to give your opinion, you have to give me solution. You should be part of solution, you should help others to provide a solution. So basically you people are working in a college project और प्रेजेंटेशन हो रहा है, फिर प्रोफेसर के सामने प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हो, एक टीम की तरह देना है. वहां खड़े होकर ये नहीं बोल सकते कि नहीं नहीं यार ये तो एक्सपेरिमेंट गलत है सारे, तूने तो एक्सपेरिमेंट किए नहीं, तूने कब एक्सपेरिमेंट किए, मैंने तो एक एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं देखा तेरे को करते हुए. यू कैन नॉट से दैट. सो यू डिस्कस एंड एट द एंड यू सप्लाई मी रेसिपी. व्हाट इज कंक्लूजन ऑफ ग्रुप टास्क? द कंक्लूजन ऑफ ग्रुप टास्क इज सॉल्यूशन, एंड दैट सॉल्यूशन शुड बी ऑफ ग्रुप. कैन आई डिफर फ्रॉम अदर्स इन ग्रुप टास्क? यस, यू कैन डिफर. Should I keep standing on the same point? नहीं, या तो तुम दूसरे का पॉइंट एक्सेप्ट करो या तुम उसको अपना पॉइंट एक्सेप्ट करवाओ, लेकिन दोनों का अलग पॉइंट यू आर नॉट टू कैरी फॉरवर्ड. सर ग्रुप डिस्कशन में ही इज टॉकिंग समथिंग एल्स, आई एम टॉकिंग समथिंग एल्स, इट इज ओके. यस, दैट इज ओके. सर ग्रुप टास्क में ही इज टेलिंग समथिंग डिफरेंट, आई एम टेलिंग समथिंग डिफरेंट, इट इज ओके. यस, ओके. बट आफ्टर सम सेंटेंसेस you have to merge. That is group task. So group discussion and group task में your pattern is entirely different. How you proceed, it should look like a group task. आपस में बात कर रहे हो, तुम दूसरे का पॉइंट ले रहे हो, उसको करेक्ट कर रहे हो कि सही यार तुम्हारा पॉइंट इज, आई थिंक व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज करेक्ट. इन ग्रुप डिस्कशन सपोज आई टेक अ स्टैंड, वुमेन आर नॉट गुड ड्राइवर्स. आई एग्री, वुमेन आर नॉट गुड ड्राइवर्स. सपोज आई टेक अ स्टैंड, तो उसको चेंज नॉर्मली नहीं करते, सेम स्टैंड को पकड़ के रखते हैं ग्रुप डिस्कशन में. सर व्हाट अबाउट ग्रुप टास्क? स्टैंड चेंज कर सकते हैं? यस. उसने बोला नहीं यार, वुमेन, इट इज नॉट सेक्स रिलेटेड फिनोमेना, वुमेन आर आल्सो वेरी गुड ड्राइवर, आई हैव सीन माय सिस्टर ड्राइविंग, माय मदर ड्राइविंग, वेरी गुड. हाँ यार, आई थिंक यू आर राइट. ये ग्रुप टास्क है. you need to change your opinion, you need to change opinion of others and converge. So what is the typical conclusion of group task? So friends, we had a very good discussion. The problem given was this, and I'm happy we could reach a solution. So Chandrasekhar gave this point, that is very good point. Amol Tiwari said this, Shravan said this. Shravan, you are still yawning like last time? Shravan, you are working somewhere?
Yes sir, I am working in CPET, Central Institute of Petrochemical Engineering and Technology.
So hectic day you must be having, right?
Yes sir, from morning 9 to 5:30.
Okay, my case it starts from 5:30 in the morning. I take one session at 5:30 also in the morning.
Okay.
So Shravan, you someday you will also take 5:30 onward schedule,
Ah,
right?
sir, I will take. So no issue, sir. I will take.
Be active for 1 hour now, right? And active posture में बैठना है हमें सबको और पार्टिसिपेट करना है. I want energy. Vishnu, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so Vishnu, this is what we are going on is a group task. As I was telling you, you must have seen group task on YouTube also.
Yes, sir.
So that is what we are going to do. And you know, I want you to have energy. Energy कहाँ से आता है? Speaking.
Yes, sir.
Hand movements, body movements. See how I'm sitting. I'm not sitting with chair back. वो नहीं करना है. अपने फेस पे लाइट रखनी है. नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू कम पुट लाइट ऑन योर फेस. अब तुम सब लोगों में देखो, मेरे घर में भी वही एक ट्यूब है जो तुम्हारे घर में है, लेकिन मेरे मुंह के ऊपर लाइट पड़ रहा है उसका. मैंने अपने आप को टेबल को ऐसे लगा रखा है. इफ आई शो यू सम टाइम, टेबल ऐसे लगा रखा है कि लाइट मेरे मुंह पे पड़ रही है, राइट. सेकंड, मेरे पीछे एक बोर्ड है, ग्रीन बोर्ड है, ये लिखते हैं जिसपे. तुम अपने घर के पीछे कहीं ऐसा लगा सकते हो जहां पे डार्क बैकग्राउंड हो, तो लाइट को एब्जॉर्ब कर ले वो. यू नो, black color, these colors absorb lights. This green color also absorb light. White does not absorb. White reflect मारता है. विजय त्रिपाठी का देखो white है पीछे, white shirt, white wall. ये पता नहीं लग रहा कि विजय कहाँ स्टार्ट हुआ कहाँ खत्म हुआ. देखो उसको ध्यान से. मेरा पता लग रहा है ना, बाउंड्री लग रही है मेरी. विजय की बाउंड्री पता नहीं चल रही कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है कहाँ फिनिश हो रहा है. Why? Because white background. Vijay is gone now. I don't know where Vijay is. Is gone. So आपको background and shirt which you have to wear, that combination has to be there. You understood my point? I hope. मेरे साथ अभी जैसे संजय, तुमने पीछे वॉल है ना, वॉल है पीछे, तो अगर उस वॉल के ऊपर हम पेपर लगा दें, मार्केट में पेपर मिलेगा, यू नो, ड्राइंग शीट, ग्रीन कलर का, ब्लैक कलर का शीट लगा दें, ब्लैक कलर शीट ऑन दिस वॉल and white color shirt and tube in front, so you will be very good. Shravan, like Shravan is now, you see how Shravan is shining now like a sun.
Yes.
That light only he arranged. Shravan, what did you do यार? तू तो मेरे से ज्यादा शाइन कर रहा है यार अभी.
सर एक्चुअली वो स्टडी लैम्प मैंने अपनी तरफ फोकस कर लिया.
हाँ, this is what. So nothing much is to be done. उसने, श्रवण ने, अभी थोड़ा अपने मुंह की तरफ लेके जाओ स्टडी लैम्प को, अगर ला सकते हो तो थोड़ा मुंह की तरफ लेके जाओ. हाँ, करो. ये देखो, अल्टीमेट. श्रवण, बिग डिफरेंस विद दिस इज एनर्जी नाउ. किसी को नहीं भी देखना होगा तो तेरे को जरूर देखेगा अभी वो, क्योंकि यू आर नाउ, यू लाइट पड़ा पूरा मुंह के ऊपर, पूरा लाइट पड़ा अभी. दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट. यू सी द डिफरेंस, नथिंग एल्स इज डन. अभी क्या करना है, बैकग्राउंड और शर्ट आपने ऐसी मैनेज करनी है कि इट शुड लुक लाइक गुड, बिकॉज देन एनर्जी विल बी डिस्प्लेड. यू नो, दैट इज हाउ इट विल लुक लाइक. एंड यू आर टू बी एक्टिव इन द सेंस, जैसे श्रवण ने आंखें थोड़ी सी बंद की हैं, बंद नहीं करनी है, आंखों को वाइड ओपन रखो. वाइड ओपन रखना है आंखों को, एंड कॉन्टेक्ट मेंटेन करना है, आई कॉन्टेक्ट के साथ बात करना है, और तुम्हें एनर्जी के साथ बात करना है. दिस इज ऑल इट इज टू बी डन. Chandrasekhar, for the last 4-5 GDs, lighting system is not very good with you. Chandrasekhar, lighting system is not good with you. For the last 4-5 GDs, I'm observing that. So that you need to maintain properly, right? So this much I have told, and now I'm going to give you a task, and then 30 seconds. I'll repeat task 2 times. 30 seconds to think, and then you will start. Each one of you will be given time of 2 minutes. Each one of you will get 2 minutes. All you have to start is, good evening friends, my name is Amok, and I take the initiative and introduce you to the task today. Friends, the task given to us today is this. और जब तुम task बताओ तो सेम लाइन टू लाइन नहीं बोलना है. डोंट रिपीट द लाइंस. पढ़ के नहीं बोलना है, तुम्हें दिमाग में होना चाहिए दिस इज द टास्क, और उसको अपनी लाइन में बोलना है कि फ्रेंड्स द टास्क गिवन इज दिस. डू नॉट रीड लाइंस. लाइन बाय लाइन रीड नहीं करनी है टास्क का, देख के नहीं बोलना है. आपको टास्क पता होना चाहिए कि दिस इज द टास्क गिवन. एंड फ्रेंड्स, इन माय ओपिनियन, आई थिंक वी शुड डिस्कस ऑन दीज लाइंस. द सॉल्यूशन कैन बी समथिंग दिस. वी कैन डिस्कस ऑन दीज लाइंस. आई एम वेरी श्योर if all of us will give our points, then we can reach a very good solution. So I open the house for the discussion. ये आपका पहली लाइन होगी इंट्रोडक्शन में. बहुत सिंपल है भाई, कुछ नहीं है उसके अंदर. दूसरा आएगा, जब आप सब बोल बैठेंगे तो दूसरा आएगा कॉमन डिस्कशन. 10-1 मिनट चलेगा. और कॉमन डिस्कशन में फिर तुम लोग एक दूसरे की बात सुनोगे, नॉडिंग करोगे, एग्री करोगे, डिसएग्री करोगे, नाम लोगे. Okay, okay, Amog, what you said is good. Amog, I think what you're saying is making sense. Okay, Sanjay, I don't agree. Yaar. Sanjay, I don't agree with what you said. Lekin if we change this way, Sanjay, what you are saying, if I change this way, I think then we can reach a right solution. Okay, Amalesh, what did you say? Can you please repeat, Amalesh, what did you say? ऐसे बोलना है यार बीच में, ऐसे engage करो सबको. फिर conclusion में, okay, friends, we had a very fruitful discussion, and I'm happy that we could reach some solution, which looks like more practical, possible, and good solution. Amalesh said this, Amog said this, Aditya said this, he said this. वो आपने लिख के point और फिर conclusion करना है. Am I done? And एक चीज जरूर देखना, आप GT जो कर रहे हो, ग्रुप टास्क जो कर रहे हो, वो एक जॉब के लिए कर रहे हो और मैं आपका एम्प्लॉयर हूं. मेरे को आपकी पर्सनैलिटी चेक करनी है, तो अपनी पर्सनैलिटी एक एम्प्लॉय वाली पर्सनैलिटी रिफ्लेक्ट करना जो एक एम्प्लॉय के अंदर होना चाहिए. और मेरे को एम्प्लॉय इमोशनली बहुत ज्यादा सेंटिमेंटल नहीं चाहिए, इमोशनल होना चाहिए, बहुत ज्यादा सेंटिमेंटल नहीं चाहिए, प्रैक्टिकल चाहिए. मेरे को अनएथिकल नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को अग्रेसिव भी चाहिए, असर्टिव भी चाहिए. मेरे को भाई अच्छा एम्प्लॉय चाहिए. उस हिसाब से आंसर करना. नाउ आई गिव यू द टास्क. द टास्क इज, प्लीज राइट, योर कंपनी लॉन्च्ड अ मेडिसिन फॉर कोविड. Your company launched medicine for COVID. If someone is COVID positive, your company launched a medicine for COVID. If he is positive, COVID positive, जो COVID positive है उसके लिए एक आपने दवाई निकाली है आपकी कंपनी ने. You are to sell it. You are to sell it to the people who are COVID negative. You have to sell it to the people who are COVID negative. बे बेचोगे तो उसी को जो नेगेटिव है, पॉजिटिव वाला तो वैसे अस्पताल में ले रहा है. You have to sell it to the people who are COVID negative. How shall you do that? How shall you do that? I repeat the question, this task. Your company has launched medicine for those who are COVID positive. You're working in a company and the company has launched a medicine for those who are COVID positive. Now you have to sell it to those people who are COVID negative. They are not COVID positive, they are COVID negative. How shall you do that? Give you 30 seconds.
Means you're talking about the vaccine, sir.
I've just, COVID medicine only.
Vaccine?
I told you. I said COVID medicine for COVID. That's all which I told you. Medicine for COVID. Okay, now I think we can initiate, and now this time I start with Aditya.
Good evening, friends. My name is Aditya Pathak. I start discussing the situation that is given to us, and I'm very sure that we as a team will resolve this problem and we will come up with some very good solutions. So the situation given here is that we are employee of a company who is manufacturing COVID medicine, and we have to sell it to the person who are COVID negative. So in that situation, what are the steps that should be taken to sell this medicine to the COVID negative people? So in my opinion, we should discuss on following points. That is, we should first of all tell the benefits of this medicine to the person who are COVID negative, and that can be done using some social network. Social can we can take help of Facebook, WhatsApp, and other social app, and we can also go for door-to-door surveys. We can educate people about this, about the problems related to this COVID vaccine, and we will encourage them to uh, buy this medicine. And we can also go for different kind of advertisement, like we can go for advertisement using some newspapers and all. And let us let us discuss on these some points and come up with some valuable solution. I open the house for discussion.
Okay, so Aditya, you can keep your video closed so that your signal gives you good voice. You can keep your video closed, Aditya, so that your voice is better. Okay, next we go to Chandrasekhar.
Good evening, friends. So I am glad to be a part of the group task today. So the situation given to us that I am a worker in a company which has manufactured the COVID medicines for the positive people, but I have to sell to the negative people also, COVID negative people also. So in my opinion, we have to be discussed based on these lines, because one, first of all, for the selling of the medicine, we have to gain the trust of the people. Means we can gain the trust or faith of the people by through giving them the awareness and the government license and the medical proofs that our medicine is the good medicine, that we have to give them the proof for the people. So another point is that we have to give the previous statistics or the previous records of the people who have been cured by this medicine, so that the people can trust us and the people can buy the medicine from us. So another point is that the price, that we have to tell the people that it is the normal price that the people can be afford. So in these lines we can discuss, friends, and I invite all you to participate in the discussion and give your thoughts to find a solution for this problem. Thank you.
Shravan?
Good evening, friends. My name is Shravan Kumar Yadav. Now I take initiative to start a task about the my company XYZ currently launching new medicine in the current situation of COVID-19. So this task is related to the current situation we all are facing in current scenario. My company launched the medicines regarding the COVID-19, which have been gone through the lot of phases and which have been tested through best laboratory in the world. And first of all, I want to introduce my product through the social media. First, I will introduce through the Facebook and other mode of advertising channels. In that ways, people can understand the benefits and drawbacks of that products. Uh, Otherwise, if people will be not able to understand the how to consume and what are the benefits of the product, what are the benefits of the products before using it. So I will first explain. I will, if there will be needed, so then I will give some demo about the products. I will advertise through the lot of modes. Like I will show the other news channels that how my company product can be used and what are its benefits. And I will also show. I will also explain at in what quantity, in what manner it can be take. And I will also and third one, I will also try to sell my products. I will also try to export my products out of India, and that can be benefit to all over the world. In that way, my company and people people to whom I want to.
Okay, you have to conclude now. You have to 2 minutes is over, Yadav. 2 minutes are over.
So So now I'm open the house for the further discussion. Thank you.
Okay, Amok.
Good evening, friends. My name is Amok Tiwari. I am glad to initiate the today's GT, and today's GT is that my company is manufacturing some medicine for COVID positive patients, and our task is to sell these medicines to the COVID negative people, because COVID positive people can't take that. And we have to sell. And how can we increase our sale in this? And I think that there are a lot of procedures. And first point we can consider about advertisement. In this advertisement, we can go with the social media, even newspaper banners, and in that advertisement, we should think about how can we show our clinical trial of the medicine, and our certificate of clinical trial should be shown in front of the persons. Then they can trust our medicine. And even we can tell them that it can't be side effect. If there is no side effect with this medicine, then it will, I think that boost the uh, production and selling of our medicine. So there is a lot of points also others people have, and I want to open for open discussion. Thank you.
Okay, Vijay.
Yes, sir, good evening, sir. The task given for today is our company launched a medicine for COVID positive. But we.
Okay, so Vijay vanishes. Now I think Amlesh, you can start.
Good evening,
Hello.
all of you. My name is Amlesh
Hello.
Kumar. Hello.
Okay, Vijay, you need to wait. Let Amlesh now go for.
सर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है सर.
Okay, wait. Let Amlesh complete. Amlesh,
Yes,
go ahead.
नेटवर्क दिक्कत आ रही है सर आज.
आप अपना वीडियो बंद करो विजय, वीडियो बंद करो, ऑडियो ऑन रखो बस. स्विच ऑफ योर वीडियो विजय. हाँ, आप बोलो.
Okay. Yes, sir.
बोलो. Go ahead, Vijay.
Good evening, friends. The task given for today is our company launched a medicine for COVID positive, but we have to sell to the people who are COVID negative. First of all, sir, I will try to convince to other people through advertisement by giving example that how some other people get cured by using this medicine, by magazine, by newspaper. By doing advertisement, I will try to sell my product. That's I am opening the house for the discussion. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Amlesh.
Hello, everyone. My name is Amlesh Kumar. Today, I am very glad to participate in GT. Today, given task is our company manufacture a medicine, and how will encourage the COVID negative patient to buy this medicine. So I think we have lots of point. Everyone have a good point on this. So according to my view, so first of all, to make a trust on the patient and consumer who are taking the medicine, and we also need to tell about the ingredient of medicine, and it having no side means no great side effect if we are consuming. So this is and other way is advertisement. We can improve it by advertisement through different platform like Facebook, social media, like, and that's all. Now we are I am opening the house for all of you.
Sanjay.
Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Kumar. So the today's given GT topic is the our company has launched the medicine for COVID-19, those who are positive, but we have to sell the medicine to the sell the product which is the person who is COVID-19. So first of all, we have to show the whatever data statics which we are doing in the clinical trial in the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, according as ICMR or WHO. So we have to show the people, the customer, or we can say to the whole world that we have conducted this type of this much person in the physical trial 1, in the physical trial 2, and in the physical trial 3, and how much person is cured from this medicine. So we have to show the all the statistics so that they can trust trust on our medicine. Also we have to more focus that we have one data statics so that we can provide the medicine to health workers, the nurses, the frontline workers, because they are most affected. The old person, the seriously disease, the person who has seriously disease. So those person who is most affected.
You have to sum up now, Sanjay.
Yeah, so we have to discuss about all these points, and I hope that we will reach on same point.
Vishnu?
Now I open the discussion.
Vishnu?
Hello, good evening, everyone. As we know today, as you know, we have launched medicine for COVID-19. So we have a situation here, and we need to sell these medicine to COVID-negative patients also. So to reach the people, as we know, the COVID-negative people are more. So to reach the COVID-negative people, the main thing is to do advertisement. So by advertisement only we could reach the large amount of people. So in advertisement, what we should be advertising, that is the main point, I think, and we need to have all our opinion on that. In my opinion, we need to show some static data, and we have to say that it may boost our immunity, and we can say that it if you take the medicine for small causes, you don't need to go to hospital or something. And one thing is, as I heard, many people thought that they got COVID-19 and they cured by themselves. But if we use that point and in advertisement, that if even though you got, and if we say that even though you got and you cured the disease, then also you will be having some side effects. And we advertise like such that people will take the medicine even though they are COVID negative. And I will like to have all your points in this discussion, and we will have a good discussion and have a better solution for this situation. Thank you. I invite you all to join the discussion about this and give your opinion on it.
Okay, so I believe the first round is complete and everybody has introduced. Now we open the house for the second round, in which you are to discuss among yourself, and that round will be for 10 minutes. So let's go and initiate the discussion, and I expect the smooth discussion where you are not to create the chaos. You are to give your points and listen to the points of others. So let's initiate the discussion now.
Okay, friends. I want to add one point based on the introduction. I want to say something. Afterwards, you can say.
You should continue. Kamlesh.
As everyone said, statistical data is important. Yeah, this is important. And other than that, advertisement, we should need to focus on advertisement, and also we need to focus we need to focus telling about the ingredient which having the.
No, Kamlesh, this is a point. This is a situation that how we can first priority how we can sell our product, or how we can हम अपनी medicines को how we can.
Yeah. I am telling about that. First, we need to trust. We need to make the trust for consumer.
I want to add
Yes,
to
yes, Sandesh.
Yeah.
Yes,
I want to
Sandesh,
add
you're
one
right.
point
If
to
we
the
show the
Nilesh
statistical
Kumar that
data,
you
then
have told that about
Yeah.
we have to give the ingredients data also, but
Yeah.
nobody will understand the ingredient data.
No, if
So
you
no,
for the
explain
normal
there
it
is,
people,
very easy way,
friends, I
then
wait,
don't think that
My,
we
in
have
my opinion,
I want to complete my
friends,
I want to complete
everyone
my
know the
friends,
means side
I want to
effect.
yes,
complete
yes,
my
Okay.
points.
yes,
1 minute.
friends. Let
So
let us
Side
see it
many
in
members
this
effect.
have
way
told
that
that
the first thing
for
that
the
we should do,
advertising of the
the
medicine,
first thing that we should go is for
Yeah. Nowadays
yes,
it
yes.
is very means
yes, you can.
critical
I
situation
want to
about the
give my
side effect.
points.
Na? So many means so many medicine are there. For
Even
like
we
COVID-19 medicine, they having the opposite effect. Okay.
even we can
So
add
many.
up about the prices of our medicine, how it will be
Yes,
effective for
yes,
the
yes.
COVID person.
Prices is
If
And
it will if it will be included
we
in
can
our advertisement, then it will be very beneficial for our sale.
Prices.
Yes.
It
yes,
is also
Yeah.
right.
Yeah,
I
It
want
is
to add a
also
new
we can
I
do
point.
agree with the
in
Yeah,
my
don't
opinion
discuss
we
about
can
the
do one
prices
thing
I
that
want to
also.
add a
we
new
can
point to this.
we can provide some discounts for COVID negative people.
Yes,
We
yes.
can provide some discount for COVID
It,
negative
it,
people
it
so
will
that
be very beneficial for the spike of our selling.
yes,
Yes, and
yes,
for
actually we
we
if
should
don't.
provide
we
some
Why?
discount for yes.
First of all,
I
we
agree
should
with that,
discuss
but why would we provide
how
discount to
we can
negative
sell
people?
our product
How
to
would
the
we provide? How would we know
poor
that they are
people.
negative
How we
people?
can provide our
Okay.
product? How we can
Yeah.
provide our product to the poor people or the lower section of the society? First of all, we should care about that, and then after that, profit is other matter or sales
Yeah,
margin is
Okay.
other
Okay.
yeah.
matter.
Means
Priority should
I
be
want to
how
add
I
I want to add a new point to the for the marketing. So many members are telling that for the marketing of the medicine we are using the social media and the WhatsApp etc. But the general people won't
but
trust that.
when they
I want to
Yeah,
complete my opinion. Wait,
Yeah.
I want to complete my opinion. Wait
Yeah.
1 minute.
okay,
Uh,
okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
on through the marketing to the social media like WhatsApp or the Facebook that people won't trust that it is a genuine medicine like that. So we
actually
We
one
need to
one
show
thing one
statistical data.
wait 1 minute. I when we are advertising through the government officials means when we have the trust our own medicine means if our medicine is genuine then we can go to the government and the government
without
give
government we
the
can't
license.
sell.
without government
ICMR will, if
permission.
will
Yeah,
ICMR will give license, then we
okay. The
can sell. Otherwise,
without
See,
license
how
we
we
can't sell the things, but
advertising
we
through
can do the
government channel is a
advertisement
difficult
through
thing.
government
We have
officials
to
also.
make our channel that much
We can advertise
Okay.
through government officials
trustworthy
also.
Yeah,
that we
I
Then
should
it will
agree.
advertise
give
in
even
our
we,
a
and
channel.
even we
plus
can
We
point
need
contact
in
to
dealer.
our
go for
sales.
some creative
We don't
advertisement.
have
Sir, you are right,
Friends,
but
let's
and
speak
we
in
can even on
another day.
contact to the
Hello.
dealer also who is selling medicines, and or you can say
Yes,
uh, medical stores persons we can contact, and you are saying that ICMR
yes,
will give
yes, yes,
license, then
yes,
it
yes,
we
yes.
can
I agree with
advertise all
you.
those things.
Yeah, in
I am
addition,
So
telling
one
that
more point I
advertising
would
through
like
the
to
we
add.
can
government
do we
officials
can do
like
one more thing.
Yeah,
health ministers
We can
like
also
that.
we can also take interviews of those COVID positive peoples and what are the problems that they are facing because of this COVID, and we can also tell these points to the person who are COVID negative so that they will buy our medicine and so that they will not face the same issue again. We
Yeah,
can
this
do
is
this
a very
also.
good idea. We have to note
yeah,
that
I
point.
will agree with that.
It should be added. Yes, you are
Yeah,
Yeah, it
correct.
should be.
It
yeah.
should be
We,
added.
And it
I
will
must say,
main
That
focus
is
is on advertisement. I believe that as we are discussing in these things, and with how
Yes,
can we advertise our
we
products.
should focus on advertisement more, but at the same time we should also
Yeah.
have a helpline
Among
to help the person that person if any person is having any doubt. So in that situation, to help those
among
persons, we should
I
also
want
have
to
a
add
helpline.
in your means
Even we
in
can
your words.
yeah,
initiate call centers also
Yeah.
for the
No,
Yes,
no.
COVID-19.
Amar, exactly. That's what I'm trying to
Yeah,
say.
Every
We can
Yes,
go
company
for some.
we can
focus on
add. Yes,
if
advertisement,
we
but
have the helpline number for,
yes, way
if we
same
have,
same
yeah,
thing.
among
yeah.
yeah,
One
listen
more
to
point,
listen
yeah,
to
as
we will
as I
consider this.
said,
yeah.
one more
Also,
This
point, as I
point is
said,
I want to say
when
that
yes.
oh
Sanjay,
let
I
me
agree.
hello.
let
Sanjay,
me
I agree with you. We can also provide the helpline number. I agree with you. Exactly same.
yeah,
Yes,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
can
Uh,
provide
So
helpline number.
one
Yes,
As
contradiction
I am also
on
saying that if we,
one more
yes.
contradiction on
Speak, Sanjay.
Shravan Kumar. Shravan Kumar, you have told that
we
while we
can
are the
also go for
marketing,
we can
we also
also
want to tell
yes, yes,
the drawbacks and the side effects also. Then it can
No,
be a
yes.
negative mark during the marketing. What
actually,
can you
better
say about
not
it?
Yeah,
say the drawback
in
and side
that
effects.
only
Who,
we can go for like
who,
something creative advertisement in which
yeah,
we have to go for all these things. What are the pros and what are the cons? We should
but
go for all the things in a
It should be
creative
published, but
advertisement.
but
But
the
advertisement
should
I'm
be
hearing the
cons,
negative
positive
cons should
points
not be
mainly.
much. It should be little bit. Then I can advertise those things also. Then it will give trust to the persons. And I think that it can
What
increase
is the
our.
need of giving a
should
negative points
we
also?
should
Yeah.
What is the
Do you
point
know,
on the
means
negative points?
every company
Actually,
is
many
Little
advertising
bit
people.
negative,
through
not
medicine.
much
Okay.
negative. I
I
think
would
that
like. I would like
it
to
will
add
increase
one thing.
trust in people that what
Trust
I
is
am telling that it is
important.
correct.
So you need to focus on this thing.
can we do this that
Yes, yes,
can we do can we organize some free camps?
yes,
Hello guys,
yes. We
guys,
should.
can we
We
organize
would
some
like
free
that
camps?
also.
Can we organize
Yeah.
some free camps and tell people about the benefits of for this free
For that,
camps in
we are, even we said that for helpline number, we can consider in that our helpline number.
yes,
They can
helpline
contact
number
us.
can be one thing, and can we go for some camps like we see nowadays that people usually go for camps and from which they are having few a few persons are then they will help with person's query and
We can.
can we go for this?
Yes,
Yeah.
we can go
Yeah.
for camps, but with
Uh,
precautions.
Yeah, I would like to
I
add a
want to
point
add
here. I
one
would like
thing.
to add a point here. Like, mainly our focus is the negative people. I mean, COVID negative people, so that we can advertise like that. Even you are getting cough, or even if you're getting sneeze, or even if you are getting mild fever, also you may get positive, but you don't have to go to hospital or checkup or all these. So you can directly take our medicine. So that is.
Yes, Vishnu. Yes,
So a
I want
Vishnu.
to
person
add
can
something.
take a
You
medicine
made a
without
good point
testing
that
Even
the
if
positive.
even if a
How a
person thinks
person
that
can take the
even if a
medicine
person
without
thinks that
testing
he
the
is negative,
positive? If
but
he
if he
has
is
the
positive and
symptoms,
he is
then
taking
he
our medicine,
definitely
then
goes to the lab and he on based on the COVID test, then he confirms that he has the COVID
Yeah,
or not.
we
Then
we
only he
yeah,
can
we
buy our
advertise
medicine.
like that.
But
You don't
he
have to
simply
go to
blindly
COVID
we
lab
can't buy the
or
medicine
this,
based
and
on the cough
we
or cold
advertise like
symptoms.
that. If you are getting sneezing or mild fever or anything, the COVID symptom is we have. If you have COVID symptom, you can simply take our tablet and you could be cured. If even though you are having or
But
not.
Okay,
if
we
it,
need to
if
But
side
focus
effect will
one thing
not be there,
also.
then it can be used.
But
So I think
I
it can
want
be very
to
clear.
the contradict
Easily available.
based on
Okay.
the Vishnu Nayak
Listen.
that
Yeah,
you
good,
have
good,
told that
Vishnu.
only the our medicine is can be cured
Make
for
it
the
easily
simply
available.
cold
Okay.
and the cough. But in the market, the cold and the cough tablets can be of the
Ah,
₹5 only. But we
actually,
are at
uh,
the
uh,
at most
yeah,
large cost. So
yeah.
how can the trust? How can
I
the
agree.
people take our medicine without
I
being
totally agree
tested
with you.
positive?
But however, people mainly feared about this COVID-19 situation. And if you think you get a COVID-19, then people are judging you. One thing that is a social that is also on there, and people will fear that they will be might be getting the maybe people notice that some people fear in different ways. So we had to advertise like that. Even though you are getting like you are if you think you are getting the COVID-19, then also you could take our tablet.
Okay,
So
now I think we
uh,
can conclude now. So I give chance to each one of you 1 minute, only 1 minute, and we have to conclude. We start from Chandrasekhar.
Okay, friends, we have a very fruitful discussion on this particular problem. So we have the many points. So based on behalf of our team, I want to conclude some points. So everybody are agreeing that the based on the we increase the marketing, then we can able to sell our medicine at a high rates. So we have discussed we have the marketing techniques. Means we are advertising to the social media that are giving the statistics and the interviews of the people who have been cured and the number of people have been taken this medicine and number of people have been cured and giving the details of the medicine that it is prepared from the best laboratory, etc. And the advertising to through the government officials or the celebrities so the people can trust our medicine and giving and providing the free camps to create the awareness of the and the importance of medicine to the people. So these are the points. These are the solutions for the increasing the sales of our medicines and also to the native people also. So thank you.
Okay, Shravan.
Uh, Good evening, friends. We have taken a lot of discussion about the medicines launching, and we have covered the mode of advertising. We have covered the drawbacks of using the medicines and how we can provide our medicine to the lower section of people. And we have also one of my friends also use they said that we can use the helpline numbers, so needed persons can contact directly to the concerned company. And we have also discussed about the mode of testing, so we can find out the negative and positive people. And so discussion about the mainly discussions of the marketing and drawbacks, and how we can first of all how we can provide our medicine to the most of the people who are negative and all are needy persons. So we have a good discussion. Thank you.
Sanjay.
Hello friends, we have a fruitful discussion about this topic. I must say that we all are agree that we have to advertisement to sell the product, to sell our medicine. Also, we have discussed that we have to uh, give the helpline number. Those who are having their mind, they can call us and contact us. Also, we have also discussed that some of friends also discussed that we have to uh, lower the price, which is most affected person, uh, like the frontline workers. So all these things discussion we have discussed.
Okay, Amok.
Good evening, friends. I am glad to conclude the topic, and I think that it was a fruitful topic, group task, and we discussed a lot of good points, and we can even go with if Vishnu was saying if people who is sneezing, we can sell their tablets also them also, and Sanjay was talking about the clinical trials and trustworthy issues, and I also was talking same about points. And someone once in the starting said about the export, and I think that it should be a great perspective of our company for the bumping of the sale. And Amles also was talking about the stats also. So I think that we can all mixed up, and we can sell our medicine a lot of, and helpline number is very significant role. I believe that, and I want to conclude topic.
Amlesh.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to conclude the GT. So, after the fruitful discussion, we got the good conclusion. So, in this conclusion, friends will give the good point. Someone said we need to focus on the advertisement. Means we need to provide the medicine and available make it available easily. So also it should be it should be trustable, and also some friends are telling about the it should be passed through the our government, so it will be helpful for trust the consumer and patient who are COVID-19, and that's all. Thank you.
Okay, Vishnu.
Good evening, everyone. I'm glad to conclude this session. We have had a very full discussion, and we came to a good conclusion. And mainly for this problem of to selling this medicine to COVID negative, and we all agreed to that advertisement is the only one of the great tool to reach the people. And in advertisement, what we have to show that one of the statistics of the COVID-19 people, how many people are got cured and all, and take interview from the COVID-19 people, and who cured, and give these interview to people, and have a helpline, and for the people, and offer some discount on the medicine to the some extent of some people, and have a creative advertisement so that our selling would be increased. So these are some points, good points we have had, and this could increase the medicine selling. And thank you for.
Okay, Aditya. Aditya? Okay, so I think now we concluded this discussion, and let me tell you now what we have talked about. See, the topic was medicine is launched and it is to be sold to negative, those people who are COVID negative. The medicine is to be sold to them, and if someone is positive, then they can only take this. Negative people cannot take this. So negative people, when they will become positive, at that time they are going to consume this medicine. You need to understand this. You need to understand the topic well. Now you want to sell it to those people who are not positive. You have to sell to the negative. So marketing skills, I wanted to check through this particular task. I wanted to check your marketing skills. Most of you actually were trying to talk about a trust issue of the medicine, that whether medicine is trustworthy or not. Even if the medicine is trustworthy, let us say brand is very good. I do not have COVID, and you are from Ranbaxy, or you are from top pharma company. I trust you. Why shall I take it? I'm not COVID positive. Unless until I become positive. It is like this. Take this medicine, the day you will suffer from cancer, you eat it. You'll be cured. Shall I take it? I'll slap you. Bloody, why I should have cancer? Why I'll have cancer? That was the problem actually. Could you identify the problem? Problem was selling something to someone who will use it when he's sick. It's a mental block. No, can you trust me? This is a very good medicine. I will advertisement in newspaper. I will tell you that this is the phases of test we have conducted. These are not going to happen. You will say, okay, I know you are from Ranbaxy. This medicine is perfect. The day I am COVID positive, this medicine is I am going to use. But I am not COVID positive. And how the hell do you think I will be COVID positive? I will not be. I'll never be COVID positive. Some of you even went and interviewed COVID positive people. Will you do that? Will you go to COVID positive people and interview them? Risky. It is risky actually.
Sir, I think maybe after they cured by taking our medicine, after that we could interview them and we could give the data to people. Maybe.
That is okay. That point is okay. But you try to understand, even if you do that, there's a person who was COVID positive and then he took your medicine and he cured. You have this. Now you come to me. I'm not having trust issue in the medicine. People are even believing the medicine given by Baba Ramdev. They're not saying that this medicine is not good. Nowadays, I'm believing everything. But the point is, you have to sell me. I'm not COVID positive. None of you said that, you see, I went to you. You are COVID negative. This is a medicine. I said, sir, do you know my company has produced a very good medicine. This medicine is good, cheap, and is available. Now, as of now, cases are not much, but the day cases are going to explode, there may be shortage of this medicine. So it is better you take it, purchase it now. Fear motive पे बेचना होता है सामान. Fear motive पे. Helmet कैसे बेचते हो? हेलमेट ले जाओ, बड़े सुंदर दिखोगे इसको पहन के. नहीं, हेलमेट ले जाओ भाई, गिर गए मर जाओगे, सिर टूट जाएगा. फियर मोटिव. ये मेडिसिन ले लो, क्योंकि अगर किस दिन कोविड पॉजिटिव हो गया, मेडिसिन शॉर्टेज में है, ये शॉर्टेज होने वाली है, दबा के इसकी ये मेडिसिन बिकेगा नहीं, तुम्हें मेडिसिन मिलेगी नहीं. सो यू हैव टू परचेज इट. इफ यू से आई वांट टू एडवर्टाइज, आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट इट, बट इफ आई एम टू एडवर्टाइज इट, व्हाई आई एम रिक्रूटिंग यू? That is not you. I recruited you. Go and sell this medicine. You come and you tell me, sir, why don't you do one thing? टीवी के ऊपर एडवर्टाइजमेंट लगाओ ना, इसकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर दो ना सर, बेचो इसको. तो भाई मैं तेरे को सैलरी क्यों दूंगा? Advertisement is not a problem, but then I'm not asking this solution from you. See the question, how do you do it? Sir, we advertise. Where? Newspaper. Are you the person to decide that? You are a salesman, you are a marketing manager. एडवर्टाइजमेंट करना तो पैसे लगेंगे उसमें, पैसे। अच्छा, आपने बोला कि सोशल मीडिया पे डाल देंगे तो सर लोगों को बिलीव नहीं होगा व्हाट्सएप के ऊपर, किसने बोला था ये? सोशल नेटवर्क पे लोग बिलीव नहीं करते हैं।
Me, sir, I have told it.
हाँ, तो चंद्रशेखर, दैट इज अ फ्री एंड चीप मेथड। चंद्रशेखर सर, ट्रस्ट फेथ ऑफ पीपल, मेडिकल प्रूफ दे देंगे, गुड मेडिसिन है, प्रीवियस रिकॉर्ड दिखाएंगे। चंद्रशेखर, यू केप्ट ऑन टॉकिंग अबाउट के हाउ पीपल विल बिलीव योर मेडिसिन इज गुड। Do you think believe or trust is the issue here? Maybe not trust. I trust you, but the issue here is why he will take it. You need to convince him कि तेरे को COVID positive होगा, और फिर जब होगा तो ये मेडिसिन तू खाएगा। You need to tell him that कि जिस दिन तेरे को होगा, the day you are suffering from positive, you have to eat it. Now how you convince him that you will be suffering from COVID positive? उसको fear motive लाओ ना उसको कि sir, are you even aware that there is a drastic shortage of the medicine now in that country, in that area, where suddenly the cases popped up and now there is a shortage. So why don't you keep it safe? You need not, somebody said you need not to go to hospital. That was a good point actually. So if you have this medicine, you need not to go to hospital if you suffer from this problem. That is a good point actually. You can save yourself from going to hospital. You can say this medicine can also be preventive. Sometime if you take it, it can be preventive also in the initial phase. The moment you start sneezing, initial phase mein, the moment you suffer from COVID, if you take this medicine initially in the beginning, then fatality rate is very less. You will not die. But if you get late in taking medicine, आप उसको डराओगे, fear motive दोगे। आपने बोला कि हम उनको बोलेंगे कि फ्री कैंप। What is the trouble in free camp in the situation of COVID? Camp, you want to arrange camp. Camp में there is a crowding. बहुत से लोग इकट्ठे आते हैं। You cannot arrange the camps. That is not advisable. जिसको नहीं भी होना होगा उसको हो जाएगा। So here you say, I am arranging the free camp and I am arranging 2 COVID positive also. All of you join. All of you will become COVID positive and then you take my medicine.
मेडिसिन दिख जाएगी, मेडिसिन दिख जाएगी उसके बाद
सब लोगों को COVID positive हो गया।
शॉर्टेज सच में हो जाएगा उसके बाद मेडिसिन का,
उसके बाद सच में शॉर्टेज हो जाएगा। So how can you make camp in this situation? You cannot arrange camp. That is another trouble. Export to the world. Shravan, what was the point? Why you wanted to export to the world?
Sir, if we suppose we are in a success mode after launching the product, so we can export our product to the other countries where needed.
But again, you as a marketing manager, that is not your call.
Yes, sir. But I want to represent my company. I am saying on behalf of corporate. I am saying on behalf of the company.
You see, when you are working as sub-divisional officer, you represent government, but you do not become prime minister.
Right, sir.
You do not become chief minister. You know. You are a marketing executive. You cannot take this call. That is what I told you in the beginning. I'm going to check as employee कि तुम अपना काम कर रहे हो, ये पूरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के हेड बन के बैठ रहे हो। You cannot take that call कि सर इसका एक्सपोर्ट भी कर दे। एक्सपोर्ट का डिसीजन किसी और का होगा ना, तुम्हारा नहीं होगा ना यार। तुम अपना काम करो ना, जो तुम्हें काम दिया है तुम उसको बेचो बस। तो वो श्रवण वहां पे थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम उसका आया। अच्छा, डिस्काउंट कौन दे रहा था? आदित्य डिस्काउंट दे रहा था। भाई आदित्य किसको दे रहा डिस्काउंट? आदित्य 3 पॉइंट तूने बोले, डिस्काउंट, फ्री कैंप और इंटरव्यूइंग द कोविड पॉजिटिव। तीनों गलत है, क्योंकि डिस्काउंट देना भी दैट इज नॉट योर कॉल। और एंड यू नो इट इज नॉट बिकॉज डिस्काउंट देगा तो लोग खरीद लेंगे। ये कोई आप समझो कि फ्रूट बिक रहा है क्या यहाँ पे या कोई सामान बिक रहा है क्या? यार मेडिसिन बिक रही है। डिस्काउंट के ऊपर जितनी भी डेडली डिजीज हैं उनकी मेडिसिन डिस्काउंट देने से ज्यादा बिक जाएंगी। देयर इज नो प्रूफ। यू आर नॉट डूइंग गुड मार्केटिंग। सोच के देख, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये मेडिसिन यार कैंसर की है, ये 10% डिस्काउंट है। 10% कौन कैंसर पेशेंट कौन खरीदेगा मेडिसिन? ले लो मेडिसिन ले लो। इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट। सो डिस्काउंट विल इंक्रीज योर सेल। रॉन्ग, दिस इज नॉट दैट प्रोडक्ट। डिस्काउंट वाला प्रोडक्ट अलग होता है। डिस्काउंट प्रोडक्ट इज डिफरेंट। This is not discount product. Sorry. And you will interview COVID positive, risky. You will arrange free camp, risky. All these are risky. Okay. Chandrasekhar, you said previous record not to advertise through WhatsApp. What was the trouble advertising through WhatsApp? अगर WhatsApp पे ऐड नहीं करेंगे तो यार ये योरपीडिया तो मर जाएगा. योरपीडिया तो
No, sir.
WhatsApp पे
I want to
चलता है.
tell that so many news are coming to the WhatsApp that how can the people believe that it is a genuine medicine through simply coming
If
to
not
the WhatsApp?
100%, if not 100% believe, 10% will believe.
Maybe 10%, sir.
So
Not
10%
more
is
than
huge
that.
for me. What is the trouble?
Sir, without any second thought, they cannot buy the medicine based on the WhatsApp message.
What is the loss in that? You tell me that. If you WhatsApp में अगर तुमने social media पे add किया,
No,
what
there
is
is
the
no loss.
There is no
There is
loss. Then
no
as a
loss.
marketing individual, what you have to think is this: even if one person purchases, that is good for you. What is the trouble? You need to think that way. I agree. 100% people will not believe, but at least you understand. At least 2%, 4%, 5% can believe, and you know people still believe what is coming on WhatsApp. Our country has all kind of people. You know, if they can believe what is happening with Kangra Rawat and Riya Chakrabarti and all, why can't we believe what you are advertising on WhatsApp? We can believe that also. People will do that. Yeah, will say, "Haan, but acha medicine," and that depends how you are advertising. That depends.
Yes,
You
sir.
see, like you see, YouTube. There are so many channels here. YouTube pe. You must have seen. I come on YouTube and sometimes say the winter admission is on. Now you purchase our paid consultancy. That is a marketing only. People believe, students believe. Why? Because you need to tell them realistic things, certain things. I agree. If you see my videos also, out of 50 comment, 2 are abusive. 2 people will abuse that you are a useless fellow. You are selling your product. I will not stop doing that. I will still go for that. And I tell you reverse also. Even if out of 50 people, 3 people convert, that is good for me. As a marketing, you need to think that. Are you incurring any cost? No. Newspaper pay, other social media pay, you are spending money. I don't want you to spend money. I want you to make a marketing which is cheap. As a marketing manager, Chandrasekhar, I hired you and you are telling me, no, sir, don't give it on WhatsApp. I say, why? Because of WhatsApp, people will not believe. 100% people will not believe. No, sir, 5% can believe. Then why not? You understood my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's the point. So you said we will advertise through government. What is the meaning of that? How shall you advertise through government?
We can introduce our medicine to the government. Means this medicine is genuine. Then the government will check all those things. Then the government
that already has happened. That is the reason you are now selling it in the market.
Okay, sir. But there we have seen some advertisement giving the Prime Minister photo or the Chief Minister's photo.
Prime
like
Minister
that.
photo. Prime Minister is not giving his photo even to Baba Ramdev nowadays. Why he will give it to you? Prime Minister not will give his photograph. Prime Minister will give his photograph only to government.
Some of
agency.
Yes, sir. If the medicine is genuine or the medicine is very useful to the country, then the government will take the action.
Are you as a marketing executive going to take that call? Shravan is exporting it. You are telling Prime Minister to come on your podium. Are you people to decide that? what are you saying?
No,
here?
sir. No, sir.
So you are a marketing. You are a marketing manager. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Don't give me any suggestion which is beyond your control. That's
Sir, we are not a key decision maker. I think we are just a just follower.
Yeah, tum suno. You see, the question is, you are to sell them who are not COVID positive. How shall you do that? What a simple sa logic, a simple sa question. IOCL mein, I recruited you. You go to petrol pump fellows and tell them that this is the product you sell. That is what you have to do here. Now, if you say now we will approach Ministry of Petroleum and tell them do this, ये तुम नहीं ना कर सकते यार. ये तुम्हारे CMD का काम है. तुम्हारा काम थोड़े यार ये. मैं तुम्हें as employee hire कर रहा हूँ. I'm hiring you as employee. You do what I'm asking you to do. And you know why? How can I identify this topic? Because I'm running the show. I'm running a company, and I come across these issues every day. The marketing manager which I hired, he will start giving me some fundas. I will tell him, then why I hired you yaar? If you are giving me these fundas, why I'll hire you? You will say, sir, we should do one thing, sir. My marketing manager said, sir, we do one thing. Kaun banega crorepati? Big boss. Everybody is watching, so let's advertise there. I said, if I'm to do that and spend 25 lakh there, why I will hire you? That is your bloody 2 months salary. Why I'll do that? So I will not listen to that. Yeah? That is the points you people are giving me. Do not look like realistic. Okay. So then Amog, clinical trials, trust medicine, no side effect. Where is Amog? No side effect. Amog, how can you say no side effect?
The help of the clinical trial, what I have got the certificate, then I will show it can be done by me, because ICMR will.
Now I give you one.
I will go with that.
Okay,
that
I give you one now point here, Amog. You
Yes,
ask any doctor.
Yes, sir.
You ask the doctor and ask him, tell me any medicine which does not have side effect. Doctor will say no.
Yes,
There is no medicine. There is no medicine without side effect. And medicine of COVID will certainly have side effects. Here, when you said you are making false claims.
Sir, if you my medicine belongs to the either Baba Ramdev, or we can say that and not the pharmaceutical, but it will be the other lines. Then we can say that it will not be the side effect.
No, but then that also will be unethical. Even Baba Ramdev cannot say it has zero side effect. उसके ऊपर केस हो जाते हैं. ये बहुत बड़ा क्लेम होता है किसी मेडिसिन का बोलना कि साइड इफेक्ट नहीं होता.
सर वो तो सिंपल मेडिसिन होता है, वो क्या बोलते हैं,
फिर उसमें कुछ भी नहीं होता, वो तो प्लेसिबो होता है. फिर वो मेडिसिन
एंटी बूस्टर है वो तो कहा.
हाँ, तो वो तो मैंने बोला ही नहीं. मैंने बोला कोविड पॉजिटिव जब हो जाएगा, तुम देखो वो बोला क्या है, कोविड पॉजिटिव के लिए बनाया वो मेडिसिन. वो प्रिवेंटिव नहीं है, वो क्यूरेटिव है. कहां से पता लगा?
Okay, sir.
If you give it to it is, you see, medicine for COVID, if someone is COVID positive, what is the meaning of that? It is curative.
Okay.
Any medicine which is curative, 99% it has side effects. So false claim you cannot make.
Okay.
फिर आपने बोला कि मेडिकल स्टोर वाले लोगों को दे देंगे, वो अच्छा पॉइंट है कमोग, वो पॉइंट सही है. वी विल गो टू मेडिकल शॉप्स, कन्विंस देम, भाई वही तो बिकती है सारी ये. उनको कन्विंस करेंगे कि यार जो भी तुम्हारे पास प्रिवेंटिव मेडिसिन के लिए आ रहा है, प्रिवेंटिव मेडिसिन के लिए जाते हो ना तुम लोग खा रहे हो क्या प्रिवेंटिव मेडिसिन कोई आजकल कि जिससे कोविड ना हो? खाते हो कुछ? वो विटामिन सी वगैरह,
विटामिन सी खाए हैं सर,
खा रहे हो ना विटामिन सी? वो कहां से लेते हो यार विटामिन सी?
बाबा रामदेव
मेडिसिन शॉप से. बाबा रामदेव से भी लेते हो? वो क्या
पतंजलि?
हाँ, वो खा रहे हो बाबा रामदेव. तो जहां पे भी लोग जा रहे हैं प्रिवेंटिव मेडिसिन के लिए, वहां पे तुम पहुंच जाओ, उनको बोलो कि whosoever will come, यार इसको भी बेचो ना उसको, कि अभी तो प्रिवेंटिव कर रहे हो, क्यूरेटिव की जरूरत पड़ी तो इसको भी ले जाओ. हॉस्पिटल जाना नहीं पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir.
You need not to go to hospital. You can have it. Very good medicine. तो तुम सारा उसको बेचने की ट्राई करो. That as a individual I accept. सर मैं मेडिसिन शॉप पे जाता हूँ, लोग विटामिन सी लेने आएंगे, उनको बोलता हूँ कि तुम इसको भी लेते जाओ, बीमारी होगी तो उसको यूज कर लेना. वो पॉइंट मेरे को अच्छा लगा. That is good point. That point can be done. That is within your control. Sneezing, जो भी छींक मार रहा है उसको बेच दो. ये क्या था अमोक? What was that point?
I was not. I think that Vishnu was saying that.
नहीं, हाँ, somebody नहीं, but you were agreeing with somebody कि
yes sir,
he said
in the conclusion I gave
in conclusion you said कि I agree to that point that if somebody is sneezing
sir,
then you sell.
we can contact them. I was saying that. Yes sir.
कि तेरे को छींक आई भाई, तेरे को कोविड पॉजिटिव है, इसको खा ले. You are saying that way, right?
Preventive, we can say preventive, not curative.
Preventive है नहीं ना मेडिसिन यार, प्रिवेंटिव नहीं है, तुम ये समझो. तेरे को पता है जो ग्रुप टास्क में प्रॉब्लम तुम्हें देगा ना, वो बहुत अच्छी प्रॉब्लम होती है वहां पे. उसका एक एक पॉइंट ध्यान से देखना, अदरवाइज गलत कर लोगे तुम, गलत डायरेक्शन में चले जाओगे. प्रिवेंटिव नहीं है वो. प्रिवेंटिव की जो मार्केटिंग है और क्यूरेटिव की जो मार्केटिंग है वो दोनों अलग है. क्यूरेटिव की फियर के ऊपर है, फियर के ऊपर, तुम्हें उसको डराना है, उसके ऊपर है वो. विजय सर ये मैं एडवर्टाइजमेंट करूंगा, हाउ अदर गॉट क्योर्ड, मैं उसके बारे में बताऊंगा और फिर मैं उसके बेसिकली वो करूंगा. तो विजय दैट वाज बेसिकली, विजय इज नॉट देयर, दैट वाज नॉट वेरी गुड. अमलेश तुम यार बहुत बोलते हो. तुमने बोला नो साइड इफेक्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट एंड देन ट्रस्ट ऑन कंज्यूमर, ट्रस्ट के ऊपर तुम चले गए। ट्रस्ट है कंज्यूमर को, तुम्हें उसको बेचना है, उसको तुम्हें कन्विंस करना है। ट्रस्ट वाला इशू नहीं है, कन्विंसिंग वाला इशू है। ट्रस्ट तो उसको है ही। तुम्हें पता है बाईजूस वगैरह अपना सामान कैसे बेचते हैं? बाईजूस
सर एडवर्टाइज करके।
कैसे? जो टीवी पे।
यस सर।
मैंने तुम्हें बाईजूस में रिक्रूट किया तो तुम मेरे को क्या बोलोगे? सर टीवी पे एडवर्टाइजमेंट डाल दो। वो तो मैं डाल ही रहा हूं।
यस सर।
वो उसका एग्जीक्यूटिव घर घर में जाता है, तुम्हें पता है? घर में जाके उनको दिखाता है कि देखो प्रोजेक्टाइल ये ऐसे चला, ये इसके 2 फिल्टर निकले, ये देखो ये इधर गया वो उधर गया, मम्मी पापा बहुत इंप्रेस हो रहे हैं, हाँ यार प्रोजेक्टाइल तो ऐसे जा रहा है। बच्चा डायनामिक, बच्चा उसका डायग्राम देख रहा है, बच्चे को डायग्राम अच्छा लग रहा है, बच्चे को पूछ रहा अच्छा लगा, बच्चा बोला उसको टीवी की तरह लग रहा है, बोला बहुत अच्छा लगा है, इट्स वेरी गुड, दिस इज हाउ दे सेल इट, समथिंग लाइक दैट। मतलब कस्टमर की साइकोलॉजी के साथ गेम खेलना, अनएथिकल नहीं, एथिकली साइकोलॉजी के साथ गेम खेलना उसकी। मेरे को जीडी बेचना है यार, जीडी एक प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं ना, यूरोपीडिया जो कर रहे हैं हम, प्रोडक्ट है ना, इसको बेचना है मेरे को। मैं कैसे बेचूंगा इसको? किसी का जीडी नहीं आया, तुम लोगों का तो आया होगा, आई थिंक आईओसीएल वाईओसीएल में आया होगा, कईयों का नहीं आया, उसको बेचना है, कैसे बेचोगे भाई? जीडी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अभी नहीं आया तो अगले साल आएगा, प्लेसमेंट में बैठोगे ना, प्लेसमेंट के भी तो चाहिए, प्लेसमेंट आएगी। एमटेक कर रहे हो अभी? हाँ कर रहे हैं, प्लेसमेंट में कंपनी आएगी, तो जब कंपनी आएगी तो इमीडिएटली जीडी की तैयारी थोड़ी करोगे, तो अभी करो ना यार, जीडी करो।
मेरा तो आया अभी, मेरा तो अभी आया शॉर्ट।
तुम्हारा तो आया, तुम कोविड पॉजिटिव हो अभी। तुमको तो पॉजिटिव हो रखा है। मैं बोल रहा हूँ जिसको पॉजिटिव नहीं है उसका आया नहीं है जीडी, उसको यूरोपीडिया बोल रहा है जीडी खरीद ले, जीडी करना स्टार्ट करो। ये वो चीज है यार, वो रियल लाइफ में तुम्हें पता लगेगी, तो उसको कैसे कन्विंस करना है, और वो हमारे मार्केटिंग वाले करते हैं, हम वही तो करते हैं यार, इसलिए तो मेरे को ये टॉपिक अच्छा, मैं बोल रहा हूँ
कांटेक्ट करके स्टूडेंट को से कांटेक्ट करके
स्टूडेंट को कन्विंस करो कि तुम्हें जरूरत पड़ेगी यार, जरूर अनएथिकल नहीं है, उसको पड़ेगी, क्योंकि जॉब तो तभी लगेगी प्लेसमेंट में अगर वो जीडी उसको अच्छा आता हो, और जीडी बुरी चीज नहीं है। आई एम नॉट अनएथिकल, आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू बी अनएथिकल। Why? I don't know, you remember there was a 10th class student who came on our platform one day. I don't know someone over there or not. 10th class की एक स्टूडेंट भी जीडीए पार्टिसिपेट करने आ गई थी। We did not sell the product to her because that is unethical. Why? Because it is not her group. तुम सब लोग बैठे हो और 10th की बच्ची यहाँ बैठ जाएगी तो वो सीख नहीं पाएगी उस तरीके से। That is not. Then we discussed. We said नहीं, अभी नहीं. Will not open this house as of now for school kids. स्कूल के बच्चों को तुम हर साल बैठा दूंगा, दिस विल नॉट बी एथिकल। सो अनएथिकल नहीं होना है, लेकिन जहां बेचना है वहां बेचना है यार। कोई बच्चा मेरे को कॉल करता है, सर मैं एमटेक कर रहा हूं, मैं जीडी कर लूं, मैं बोलूं बिल्कुल कर, क्यों सर? प्लेसमेंट में फायदा होगा, मैं बेच रहा हूं उसको, उसकी कॉल थोड़ी आई अभी, लेकिन मैं स्टिल बोल रहा हूं ले ले, अच्छी चीज है कर, मेरे को पता है दैट इज वैल्यू फॉर हिज मनी। ऐसे मेरे को सेल करना है उसको, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से। तो अमलेश थोड़ी एनर्जी यार कम करना है, नहीं करना ज्यादा। संजय, यू से क्लिनिकल ट्रायल फेज 1, फेज 2, फेज 3, ये क्या WHO, कस्टमर शो, ट्रायल, ट्रस्ट, ये क्या चल रहा था? What was this all about? He is not interested in your trials. You are again trying to build his trust. Trust issue नहीं था ये. It is not trust issue actually. He already knows your company. He already knows that your medicine is okay. But why he shall purchase? उसको नहीं है अभी. See, whosoever is watching the GD on Europedia, he knows अच्छा करवा रहे हैं, ठीक चल रहा है, और कोई करवाता ही नहीं है इंडिया में, यही एक चैनल करवा रहा है, और करवा भी ठीक रहा है। जो आधा घंटा देखेगा बोलेगा नहीं यार फायदा तो हो रहा होगा। बट
राइट सर, आई
Yes, sir. Yes.
in last 2 class I मतलब I observed lot of changes, मतलब learn lot of
नहीं
things.
मैं हाँ श्रवण, मैं प्रेज करने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे एक लॉजिक फिट कर रहा हूँ। लॉजिक में ये फिट कर रहा हूँ कि प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, वो ट्रस्ट इशू नहीं है किसी को, लेकिन उसके बाद भी लेगा कब वो, कब लेगा वो, व्हेन ही विल टेक। अभी अब श्रवण को कॉल आया, तुम सब लोगों को कॉल आया, तब तुम ले रहे हो। ये कोविड पॉजिटिव वाला केस है ना यार, तुम्हें कोविड पॉजिटिव हुआ, तुमने मेडिसिन ली, किसी को कोविड पॉजिटिव नहीं हुआ, कॉल नहीं आई उसकी, कॉल अगले साल आएगी, उसको कैसे बेचोगे? क्वेश्चन इज दैट, एंड दिस इज द रियल इशू। व्हाई? बिकॉज इफ आई एम टू सेल माय जीडी, if I am to sell my GD to 1000 students, there are only 100 students who have got IOCL call. So IOCL, so I can only sell to 100. What about 1000? जिनको कॉल नहीं है, how I shall sell that? How shall I sell that? This is the real problem.
Okay.
You understand my point? So it is not
Yes,
a
sir.
trust issue. It is not a trust issue. भाई trust तो है ही लोगों को, वो तो दिख रहा है, जो तुम बताना चाहते हो दिख रहा है. And I am the only company which is selling this product. There is no other company selling this product. Trust भी उनको है, but still customer is not taking. How customer will take? You need to think of marketing. And you are my executive. Now do this. Do this. That is what I want. So Sanjay, this was the issue. Health worker, old person, nurses को you said you will give. ये तो चैरिटी का काम स्टार्ट कर दिया यार, कंपनी बिक जाएगी.
मतलब
What was your point?
सर जो मेडिसिन आएगा ये सबसे पहले इन लोगों को पहुंचाने का काम करेंगे.
So you will sell it, right?
यस सर.
You tell them that you are
अगर
vulnerable, you are risky group.
हाँ यस.
You tell them that, see, your point was good, but you could not make it properly clear. You said doctors, nurses, health workers, I will go to them and I will sell. You are high risk people. Have this medicine. Agreed. Conclusion अच्छा नहीं दिया संजय. Conclusion was not good. You could not conclude very good. Vishnu, you talked about static data, develop the immunity. It is not curative. It is not curative. It is preventive. Sorry, it is not preventive. It is curative medicine. Immunity is to be developed when it is preventive. You gave a very good point, Vishnu. You said no need to go to hospital. Once you suffer from COVID, in the hospital also you are going to get the same medicine. So why to go to hospital? There is a more probability that you will be in trouble. Facility will not be good. Your parents cannot take care of you there. So you take this medicine, and if God forbid, if you suffer from COVID, the probability of which is very high, then you can take this medicine. You know, one of my friend, I asked him, कि situation क्या चल रहा है COVID का? He is in Delhi. He said, यार COVID तो होना ही होना है, हर किसी को होगा. अपनी immunity develop कर ले, घबरा मत. Immunity develop कर ले और बिंदास रहे.
Sir, actually in this meaning only I told that this will boost immunity also. Maybe that medicine may be curative or मतलब immunity boost करता है या वो cure करता है. लेकिन हम ये तो बोल सकते हैं ना सर कि जो अभी जो COVID-19 नहीं है उनको क्या चाहिए, उनका immunity build करना चाहिए. तो हम advertisement में ये
तो तुमने टॉपिक नहीं पढ़ा. टॉपिक was your company launched a medicine for COVID positive people.
Yes sir, I understand that, but अगर मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि अगर एक COVID-19 जो हुआ है उसको ठीक कर रही है, तो जो COVID-19 नहीं हुआ है तो उसको एटलीस्ट मतलब हम ये बता सकते हैं कि ये इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट करती है. मतलब
क्या करेगा इम्यूनिटी बढ़ा के?
बढ़ाती भी है. मतलब
उससे क्या होगा?
हमारा
वो खाना स्टार्ट कर देगा.
मतलब शायद कम होगा, चांसेस कम है. बहुत लोग
उसको नहीं खिलाना है भाई. तुम तो गलत आदमी को खिला रहा है, उसको खिलाना नहीं है. कोविड नेगेटिव वाले को
किसको खिलाओ? वो हाँ सर, नेगेटिव लोगों को खिलाना नहीं है, बस भेजना है.
नेगेटिव को बेचना है कि जब तुम पॉजिटिव हो जाओगे तो इसको खा लेना.
तो मैं सोच रहा था कि पहले ही खिला देते सर, मतलब हुआ ना हो.
You listen, it is for someone who is COVID positive.
Yes sir, I understand that.
It was curative. It is not preventive medicine. इसलिए that is what I am telling you. You listen very very carefully because marketing strategy is going to be different. Baba Ramdev is selling a medicine which is preventive. इसको खा लो नहीं होगा, immunity develop हो जाएगी. That is what they are saying. Curative तो medicine ही नहीं आई है यार. कहाँ पे आई है medicine अभी तक curative? आ गई है क्या कहीं?
हमारा कंपनी तो लॉन्च करके है ना सर.
नहीं इसमें बोल रहा हूँ ना, मैं वैसे बता रहा हूँ तुम्हें. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि इसमें तो लॉन्च कर दिया. अब इसको तुम प्रिवेंटिव मत लो ना, तुम तो प्रिवेंटिव बना दिए इसको.
नहीं सर, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ ये क्यूरेटिव भी है और प्रिवेंटिव भी है.
प्रिवेंटिव कैसे बोल दिया? मैंने तो बोला नहीं प्रिवेंटिव हो.
हाँ सर, आपने बोला नहीं है लेकिन ओके. तो मैं ये सोच रहा था मेनली कि हम
गलती पता क्या हो जाएगी? जो मेडिसिन जो सुनो, जो मेडिसिन क्यूरेटिव होती है ना, वो प्रिवेंटिव की तरह से यूज नहीं करनी चाहिए. साइड इफेक्ट होते हैं उसके. यू एग्री टू मी व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
Yes sir.
Like if somebody is suffering from sugar or heart disease, he is having medicine. Can you suggest that medicine to someone who is not having heart problem? कि तू खा ले इसको, तेरे को हार्ट प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, ये दवाई खा ले यार शुगर की, तेरे को शुगर नहीं होगा, वो नहीं है। मैं इसको खाता हूं, मेरे को शुगर है, तू भी खा ले, तेरे को शुगर नहीं होगा। दे आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स, साइड इफेक्ट होता है उसका, राइट। सो यहां पे गलती हो गया था तुम्हारा। Immunity is not the term which we have to use in this particular medicine. It is preventive. Baki no need to go to hospital was good. So this is how you are to basically push through the task.
Sir, one question. Sir, mainly मैंने जो बाकी GT का भी देखा है वीडियोस, तो सब में एक कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है कि जो क्वेश्चन दिया है, जो टॉपिक दिया है, वो स्टूडेंट्स को ठीक से समझ में नहीं आता है। हर बार यही होता है, आप लास्ट में बोलते हो कि आपको ये समझना था, आपको ये समझना था, लेकिन अभी ये तो मतलब कंसिक्यूटिव मैंने 4-5 वीडियो देखे, सब में यही था कि आपका पॉइंट ये था, लेकिन हम एक्चुअली वो पूछे थे ये। तो ये हर बार हो रहा है और आज भी हुआ है। तो इसके लिए हमें कैसे समझेगा सर कि वहाँ पे भी हमें टॉपिक देगा, हम भी फिर से थोड़ा सा इधर उधर समझ लेंगे और हमारा डिस्कशन भी दूसरा साइड में चला जाएगा।
See, that is what I am saying you, like that is my role actually. So if I give you a topic and you understood very well at the very beginning, that is, I have got no role to play.
Right, sir.
Yeah, sir.
You understand? Because my level, depth of knowledge should be more than yours, and my points which I am putting, highlighting, that is the, I think that is because of the experience which I can tell you. And unless until I tell you these are 10 mistakes in you, you have no reason to come on my platform and learn it. This will come with learning, Vishnu. You cannot assume that you people are learned. I'll make you realize that you know nothing till you come on my platform. But the day you go on the actual GT, you will understand that you know far more than others.
Right, sir.
Yes.
And wo hoga. The day you go there, you will understand that you are far better than them. Here
Sir,
I will make you, and,
sir, 2 दिन में मुझे समझ में आ गया।
and at this platform I will make you realize that you know nothing. I will find mistakes and mistakes and mistakes. Only thing is, at the end you should agree that what I am saying is making sense. You should understand that. That's it. And if I'm asking you, I'm telling you that you are wrong, and I'm convincing you are wrong, that means my point is right. So I'm not finding wrong mistakes in you.
No, sir.
Moreover, you cannot assume that you will be expert in this, because you need to do practice. Na, yeah, a lot of practice.
Yes, sir. I mean, my question was the same.
With practice, it comes with practice. That is all I can say. It comes with practice, actually. That is what I told you in the beginning itself, that I'm going to check something. Now, out of these 8 people, you see, if I'm to select somebody, I'm to select somebody. You are not as perfect. You cannot be as perfect. But I'm to select somebody. All we need to do is you should be better than others. That's it. That is my purpose. So as a teacher, if I put my standards high, then only you will perform high. If I put my standards low, I start accepting your things, then you will not improve. So I tell my students also that I will give you 8 out of 10 only if you're really good. And if you get 8 from me, you will not stop anywhere. But getting 8 from me is a difficult task. You need to take 8 from me. So Vishnu, try hard to get 8 from me. That's it.
Yes, sir.
The day you get 8 from me, nobody can stop you. Right?
I will try.
Listen to all the GTs, listen to all the points, and they are very interesting, really good points which come out after the discussion.
Yes,
fine?
Yes.
So I think we end it up now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good night to all of you.
Good night, sir.
Sir.